Switch on AC, radio, lighter, cigarette, no problem. But problem when he switch off, everything go off. If you are working with load and switch off, boom, everything shaking. This one you don't need to touch. It's only for mechanic. For mechanic, okay? AC, AC. This one only direct on. That's it. It will always be cold. Always cold. This one have control for heating and cooling. Okay? Clear? This you know this one? Engine brake. Half brake, engine brake. When you are going down, you use this one. Or when you are going fast and need to slow a little bit, this one. First this one, then this one. Because you have big disc, if you use the brake, foot brake too much, maybe your brakes will fade, disc become hot or brakes get damaged. So when you are in speed and you need to slow down, first this one, then that one. And this one has step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 step. So first two, exhaust brake. Then exhaust brake very hard.
But engine full.
Engine full. When you use this, step by step, the more step you go down, the more harder braking. Okay? Emergency like this. And then brake. Two. Yes, both together. Okay? Here, indicator, left, right.
Yeah.
Okay? On. His favorite. Okay? Hada wiper. Okay, but for water, push. Push inside, then coming the water.
Same car.
Same car. You fill the water over there. In the front, on the side.
In the doors, yeah.
In the door there is cap, you open, put water. Okay? Clear? Hada gearbox. Transmission. Okay? D for drive, R for reverse. Neutral, neutral. N. DM, RM, meaning maneuvering.
Manual.
Manual. Manual. Maneuvering or manual. It will stay in one gear, first gear, or reverse first gear.
Yeah.
That's it. And the clutch is always engaged.
Yeah.
Okay? So maybe you have chance of burning the clutch with DM and RM. If you are stuck, do not use this.
Yeah.
You use this only if the tire not rotating.
Lifting the
If the tire is rotating free, don't use this. You will burn the clutch. Okay?
problem collection.
Coming problem. In the side, you want to position the crane.
But this one.
DM, RM, when you want to go job site, maybe you need to put
The city.
شوية
The
كذا.
city.
لا لا لا, not city.
قدم طقة خفيفة.
See, single, double. Catch.
Okay.
Catch. Single, double. You can feel it. Okay? Here. It will downshift but not upshift. Auto, it will upshift and downshift. Same like sports car.
No problem, same.
No problem. See, you put D. Okay?
Big.
D is big. Wait.
Yeah.
D is big. This one is auto. Turn. Only turn. See? It will. Air tank 1, air tank 2, oil pressure, oil level. Oil level will come when the engine is off. Okay? Water, hydraulic temperature, hydraulic level, battery, engine load. Okay? Now the push down, coming speed. Okay? Push up, nothing. Push up, coming speed. Okay? The button to reset trip.
Yeah.
Trip malum? Is to only
Time
reset.
on.
No. Only trip. Hada shuf hada 00.
Yeah.
Only to reset the trip. That's it.
هذا اللي يحسب
The-
كيلو
Kilometer. Okay? Hada driving monitor. Maybe you're driving, you want to see, you have speed,
Camera.
have RPM, you can switch on the camera. Shuf. Now camera always on.
Oh.
You put gear forward, reverse, no problem. Camera always on. Okay? Switch off, same way. Other, bright. More, less. Okay? In this menu, you push this button, number 4. You push, coming menu. Same way. Turn, up, down, select, you push down. Okay? Push down. Or right side. You come back this way. You
Left
go
side.
left side. You come forward, right side. Or push down. Okay? Setting, option, door lock, off. Okay? Language, unit. This one please don't touch. Other key. If you put other key, bring me the keys. Of keys. Okay? Key will open any door, any lock for this crane. But this one and this one, there is difference in size. This one have chip inside, like car. You can take this one out, put this key in, switch on. It will switch on, but it will not start. Oh,
Also. Another.
عليه خلوه اضواء.
let's see. See here like this. See. It will not start. You need this key. You need like this key.
Like
This key you can switch upper also, no problem. It will work. Better you keep one key in the crane, kalas. You running down, switch off, then go up, operating. Because if this key inside here, somebody switch on, he did this yesterday.
No start.
No. Upper side if he is working and this somebody come here switch on, no problem.
But
Problem when he
but
switch
have-
off.
Have
Coming, switch on AC.